Yo, Milo, what's up? What's going on with you? Yeah, buddy. Milo's having fun. The fun master. Milo! Chillin', chillin'. Look at daddy's feet. They look like fingers. Look at my fingers. Look at this guy. These dogs. They get me in trouble sometimes. The door opened yesterday and one of them popped out. Ran across the street to that lady's house over there, and she was like, "Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!" And it was just an accident. People are so freaking ugh. Lady don't like me for no reason anyway. Never said a word to me, but oh my god, oh my god. Dog didn't do anything. Anywho,